Well, we're back on blue chip. Today we're hopefully getting the dash out. I have absolutely no clue what I'm doing. This is slightly cross-threaded. Let's go on the wall. Cluster! Dash is out. Tomorrow, we'll cut the car in half. So yesterday we learned a whole bunch about how not to take the dash out of one of these. At least now I know for the red one. Step one, take the windshield out. Gonna make life a lot easier. There's not a whole lot of information about doing stuff on these cars I'm finding online, so pretty much learning as I go on this one. Today, I think we're just gonna get the doors out or off and try and tackle the back seat and inner panels, which is disgusting, and get the front bumper off and maybe hopefully cut the front of the car off. We'll see how it goes. Time changed, so now I don't really have my evenings to work on this anymore because I won't have any light, and this thing's in such bad shape I can't really drag it into the shop. It just won't make it. So working outside for now. Oh! Oh, that felt good. Door weighs about 800 pounds. And it's on my shoe. I'm gonna be absolutely filthy doing this. Normally you should chop back this out. I'm nowhere near a plug. Yeah. One seat back. Up. 2 seats back. Oh, go. What a stupid design. I don't know if you can see me, but all of this has to come out somehow. That's the power window motor. means I gotta take that out, that rear parcel shelf, which is plastic and not cardboard and fabric like a Camaro or other stuff. That's cool and stupid, and I don't know why they did that. And this armrest needs to go. And I have to somehow, I don't know how, get this window out of this track. Because I want the power windows. Okay. So that's removed. So there's this trim panel. Oh my god, that turned. Oh, I don't know how I'm going to do this, because that's the window armature there. That's all one piece. I think what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to find where the power goes into it. Eh. Yeah, I'm going to have to find it. Oh! Look at that. Oh! It's like a speedometer cable. Well, if that's all mounted on that, then that whole assembly in theory should come out. And I'm going to have to rebuild that whole assembly somehow. Okay. I have a plan. It's not a good one. But it's a plan. That panel's out. It's pretty messed up. I'm going to have to re-engineer this whole thing when we do the body swap, but that's all part of building cars. I'm going to try to pop this glass out, and then we're going to get on to the main event of cutting the whole cowl off the car. So the rest of the bracket is under there. I'm just gonna go cut the car in half. And now, the main event. I think we can still buff a lot of this out.